So in this video, you'll learn how you can connect or how you can pair your PS5 controller to your Galaxy A07. Now for this video, you only need to do is just navigate to the Bluetooth settings on your phone. So start by opening settings, tap on connections, and then select Bluetooth. Once you're in the Bluetooth settings, you need to ensure that Bluetooth is currently turned on. From here, you can then go ahead and put your controller in pairing mode. To do that, you're going to long press on the PS button as well as the share button until you see the indicator lights of your controller blinking blue. So go ahead and put a finger on PS and share, long press until you see the lights blinking blue. And then once they start blinking blue, it means they're in pairing mode. So go back to the Bluetooth settings on your phone and then select scan so that it can easily detect your controller. Once it's been detected, simply tap on it to establish the connection and confirm that you wish to pair both devices. Once you've done that, you can then see that you've successfully connected your PS controller when you try to navigate through your phone using it. So just now, you can start using the controller with your A07. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.